Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
So today I'm going to be making this amazing king prawns and spring beans stir fry using my seasoned wok. Yes, now I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can watch my previous video where I seasoned my wok. It is a must try, most definitely. Now to make this amazing dish, these are the list of ingredients you will require. Exactly. Let's start. If you have watched my previous video on how I seasoned my wok, I did mention that once you use your wok, you do not wash it with soap and water. Instead, you wipe it down with a towel, yes, and a little bit of oil. Now, as and when you're ready to use it, just season it again for about 5 minutes and you're good to go. Now, today I'll be using my spring green beans, and I'll just be taking the head parts off and I'll leave the bottom tip. You can take both parts off if that's what you prefer. However, I'm not going to be discarding the tips. I would keep them in my freezer bag, and as and when I do require it, I will make my vegetable stock because there's no waste in my kitchen. The next ingredient I'll be using will be my onions, and I will just quarter them. I need them in that chunky form because, of course, with the stir fry means I'm going to be cooking on a very high heat, so everything is just going to be nice and moist and crunchy on the outside, but it's not going to be overcooked, and that's the beauty of the wok. And also that smoky flavor of the wok is just going to permeate through the stir fry. This is better than takeout. The next thing I'm going to do is microwave my spring beans. Yes, you can steam it if you wish, but I microwave it for about 50 seconds and that is good enough. Once I take it out of the microwave, I then dip it into ice cold water. That retains the color and it also makes it crunchy. So that's just perfect. Now bearing in mind, I will be stir frying this later, so a little bit of heat is going to go through. Next thing is I've got my garlic. Yes, it's very important for this recipe, prawns, garlic, a little bit of chili, you know what I mean? So yes, I'm just finally chopping it, as you can tell, and then I'm also going to be grating my ginger. This is almost done, but of course not before I just sprinkle it with a little bit of sesame seeds for that little extra flavor and crunch. Yes, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, really, is that? Yes, but the wok makes a big difference because the smoky flavor is infused into every ingredient in here, and also everything is just crunchy and perfect. Now, please don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button. To my loyal subscribers, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. We have come a long way. And look at the PS that is the stones. But then, come on in, on talk more. Ah, well, ada. Untana kopo bolwa na dunenema kunamla. And I make not just a wafa prawns in the back will say, not just a easy, mana, and you know, so come away crunchy, fine. Ah, now, of course, after finishing cooking in your wok, what you need to do, which I think I did mention at the beginning of the video, is just add a little bit of oil and use your towel to wipe it clean. Please do not be tempted to wash it with your soap and water. What I then tend to do is I still have the heat on so that it kills any bacteria or anything. And also before I use it as well, I do heat it up. So it's always just perfect. Look at that. This is not any other food. Ndudu by Fafa but this is Ndudu by Fafa. Naturally, I'd leave the full list of ingredients and measurements, including the full recipe, on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to try the perfect corn fritters recipe. It is a must try. Perfect for your picnic anyway. But until next time, my dear kings and queens, please take very good care of yourself. Invest in yourself. Add more value to you. Exactly. Because me, I love you for you and more. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.